Registered criminologist ka ba at nagsisisi ka kung bakit criminology yung kinuha mong course dahil hirap makapasok sa PNP, BFP, or BJMP? Naku, huwag po. Alam mo ba na ang registered criminologist ay napaka-advanced pagdating sa police work dahil napag-aralan nyo na yung trabaho ninyo. At napaka-advantage dito dahil pwede ka ma-promote with the rank of police lieutenant with a basic salary of 49,528. Hindi pa po kasali yung allowances ninyo. Ito ay tinatawag na lateral entry line service officer na kung saan pag ikaw ay registered criminologist, pag nasa police staff sergeant ka na or PO3 at may natapos na PSGLC at SAF Commando or Basic Internal Security Operation Course ay pwede ka nang mag-apply ng lateral entry. Napaka-advantage nito dahil bilang criminologist, exempt sa mga technical course tulad ng doktor, dentist, chemist, psychologist, at iba pang technical course ay hindi nyo na kailangan kumuha ng ibang kurso na related sa batas dahil pwede na kayong makapag-lateral entry. All you need to do as a registered criminologist na huwag kayong mag-give up sa pag-apply and give all your best. Be confident in every level of your application. PNP pa yan, BFP, BJMP, at iba pang ahensya ng gobyerno tulad ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Dahil pag registered criminologist ka, pwede ka mag-apply ng lieutenant. Meron kang natutunan, don't forget to follow and share for more updates.